Welcome back to the channel. Today we will dive into Anaconda Prompt. What is it? Why it's important and how can we use it effectively for the data science and Python projects. If you are new to Python, Anaconda or just starting with machine learning, this video for you. So let's get it started. So first thing first, what exactly is Anaconda Prompt? Think it's a special command line interface that comes with Anaconda distribution of Python. It's similar to your regular command prompt in Windows, but has the key difference. It's pre-configured with Anaconda environment settings. That means when you open Anaconda prompt, you can directly use Python, Conda commands, and all the packages you have installed without extra setup. Pretty handy. To install Anaconda prompt, click on free download and then it will be start your download. Then install, then set up, sign up with your email address. Then you will get the download link for Anaconda prompt. Then you can install in your Windows device. Now, why use Anaconda prompt? Now, you might be wondering why not just use a normal command prompt or PowerShell? Well, here's the way. Automatic environment setup, no need to be set path variable manually. Conda prompts, Conda commands, you can easily create, activate or manage virtual environments. Pre-installed tools, Jupyter Notebooks, Spider and other data science libraries are ready to go. Pre-installed tools, Jupyter Notebook, Spider and other data science libraries are ready to go. So in short, Anaconda prompt save time and avoids configuration headaches. Opened our Anaconda prompt in our display. Let's check something. Conda version. You can see we have Conda version. Let's create an environment on our Conda version. Let's create a command. Create a new environment. Conda create my env Python, that will be Python 3.11. Environment install first. You can see this environment installing our packages automatically and keeping them up to date. This is the main reason why we are using Anaconda prompt for our Python applications or Python environment. This is very helpful for any developer because you don't need to be install the packages every time. It is pre-built, installed your maximum packages. Okay, you can see this our environment is installed. Now let's active our environment we have just created. You can see that environment has been changed to my env. That's it. How can you do it? And let's install a custom uh package on our environment. We will be install MATLAB, Pandas and NumPy. Give it some time and it will be ask permissions and then you just hit enter. It will be downloaded all the libraries. This is Anaconda Navigator. This is just UI interface of that. We have just created this environment and it's running. You can see we can do it in Anaconda Navigator with UI and we can use prompt line interface, CLI interface for installing with prompt. To be just click on create. Then you can see it is starting downloading the packages and then it will be install your new environment. You can see our my env is already installed. Then we'll be check something. Okay, you can see this. You can simply do it like this. Okay, we don't need any other environment here, so we can delete here this from here and click on remove. It will be remove our environment. You can see other environment that in right side you will get all the libraries list that installed on that environment. Let's change this environment to our root environment that has thousands of libraries pre-installed. Now, all right, here are some quick tips for your make life easier. Use Conda list to view the all packages installed in your environment. You can update them by command Conda update from all. By this command, you can upload everything, update everything. And one more thing, if something breaks, try this command. Don't mix pip and conda unless you really have to. It can cause conflict. And finally, always work inside environment instead of the base environment. It keeps your project clean and organized. That's it. Now you know the Anaconda what is. That's it. Now you know what is the Anaconda prompt is, why it's helpful, and how get to start with the most common commands. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial with Python, data science, and machine learning. Drop your question in the comments. I would love to help you out. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.